So you are going to open up your Razor Pages app that you worked on last week. And we are going to add a model to this. Okay. And so we're going to add client. And I have given you a very long list of properties here that you should be able to copy and paste. And what you're going to be doing is adding all the annotations to that. And so here they are. Okay, so there are quite a few. Make sure you add the using statements to the top because the minute you start adding these annotations, it's going to flag errors if you forget your using statements. So I'm going to pause while I put all of that in. All right, so I've got my client properties all added. And I'm just going to run a build. All right, now I'm going to do another class called client service. And I'm going to copy my annotations or my using statements. And I'm going to go ahead and enter that one in. All right, so now I've got this one in, saving it and running a build. And now I'm going to modify my services model. And I'm just going to add a range data annotation. And I'm going to put that on fee. I'm going to be giving it a minimum and a maximum. Let me save, and we'll do a little build again. And at this point, I am done modifying the models.